Hi. We've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated product in the market today.
Push yourself to become stronger, faster, and better with the Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness. Experience a high-intensity workout that supports multi-hand grips, high-interval training, and micro-adjustable resistance. The magnetic resistance creates an unbelievably smooth and silent ride, helping you achieve a better cardio and metabolic fitness routine. The 44-pound flywheel promotes improved physical fitness training and encourages a more fluid cycling motion. Step into the adjustable cage strap pedals and feel secure on the heavy-duty steel frame. The bike is designed with a 4-way adjustable seat and handlebars for a completely bespoke fit unique to all riders. Watch your favorite videos when you place your tablet or phone on the device holder. When you're done, cool down with the convenient water bottle holder. Then move your bike with ease with the transportation wheels. Maximize your physical fitness routine with the SF-B1805 Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.